If you want to learn how to do text-to-speech in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can turn your written text into AI voice narration inside CapCut quickly and easily. This is a really useful feature if you want to create voiceovers for videos without recording your own voice, whether you're making tutorials, short-form content, or faceless videos. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project or open an existing one. Before you can generate speech, you need to add a text layer to your timeline. To do that, go to the text option on the top toolbar. From there, select Default Text. Once the text appears, drag it down into your timeline so it's ready to edit. Now click on the text box and type or paste in the script you want CapCut to read aloud. Make sure your text is clear and formatted the way you want it spoken, because this is what the AI voice will use as the audio source. If needed, take a moment to fix punctuation or split long paragraphs so the speech sounds more natural. After your text is ready, click directly on the text clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. This part is important because CapCut needs to know which text layer you want to convert into speech. Once it's selected, look at the upper right panel and find the text-to-speech option. Click Text-to-Speech and CapCut will show you a list of available AI voices. You can browse through the voices and preview them before choosing one. Some voices may sound more energetic, while others sound more calm or storytelling focused. For example, you might see voices like Jesse or Storyteller, depending on your version of CapCut. Choose the one that best matches your video style and your audience. Once you've picked a voice, click Generate Speech. CapCut will process the text and automatically create a matching audio track directly below your text on the timeline. This saves a ton of time compared to recording and syncing your own narration manually. After it's generated, you can play it back, check the timing, and make any small adjustments if needed. If the voice sounds too fast, too slow, or doesn't fit your content, you can always go back, edit the text, or try another voice until it sounds right. That's one of the best things about CapCut's text-to-speech feature on PC. It's fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. And that's how to do text-to-speech in CapCut on PC. Once you know this process, you can turn almost any script into voiceover audio in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.